How to create a new WeChat account. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on WeChat. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right in. First thing first, you're just going to have to open up your WeChat app and you'll be taken directly to the login page on your WeChat app. So you have two options. If you already have an account, you can click on login, or if you are new, you can click on the sign up option. Tap on sign up, and here you get two options as well. You can sign up via mobile number or you can sign up via Facebook. So I'm just going to continue with my Facebook account. So if you just tap on continue via Facebook, tap on continue, and then from here you should be able to log into your Facebook account. So after you've done that, you're going to have to choose your country or region and then enter your mobile number, then enter your password as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my phone. And once you have entered all of your details, you're just going to have to tap on this I've read and accepted the terms and services and then click on accept and continue. Now you'll be taken to a different page. So what you're gonna have to do is click on this checkbox to say that I've read everything and then tap on next. So here is the final part of the application. In order to protect WeChat from spammers, this registration requires further verification to prove that you're a human. So just tap on start. And here you'll just have to provide your identification. First thing first, complete the quick CAPTCHA before and then tap on OK. And then you'll be taken to a different page. Now you're just gonna have to enter the code here, so just go ahead and tap on enter and then simply tap on next. Now you have successfully created a new account. It's asking you to add friends, so just tap on OK. You'll have to allow access to your contacts and everything else, so click on allow and then you're good to go. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.